Welcome to the Scripted Wellness. We are so glad that you have joined the TSW family. And today, you are stepping into a powerful 11-minute quantum shift, a gateway to the reality you were always meant to live. Find a comfortable space, settle down, take a deep breath in through your nose, slowly. Hold it for a moment, and exhale, releasing any tension you hold. Again, breathe in peace. Exhale anything that no longer serves you. Allow the soothing sound frequency to guide you deeper into alignment, gently. Before we put pen to paper, you must understand the power you are about to wield. Quantum scripting is more than just journaling. It is an act of collapsing time. In the quantum field, every version of your life already exists as a possibility. There is a version of you that is already abundant, already healed, and already loved. When you script with the right emotion, you aren't asking for that reality. You are tuning your frequency to it. By writing in the present tense, you signal to your subconscious that the search is over. You are no longer wanting, which carries the vibration of lack. You are having, which is the vibration of creation. Today, we don't write to change the world, we write to change ourselves, and watch the world move to match us. Now, with this understanding, let us begin. Your pen is no longer just a tool. It is the needle of a compass, pointing directly to your new north. Let's begin with your first declaration. Now, open your journal. This is not about wishing, but about knowing. We will begin with 3 powerful I am statements. Write them down in the present tense, as if they are already your truth. Feel the words in your heart, not just in your hand. We are entering the gateway now. Start your script at 11 to lock your vibration into the master frequency of manifestation. Your story changes today. Let's begin. Your first declaration. I am now living the life I once only dreamed of. Every day is filled with joy and purpose. Your second declaration. I am a magnet for abundant wealth and overflowing love, experiencing effortless flow in every area of my life. Your third declaration. I am vibrant, healthy, and radiating boundless energy, connected deeply to my inner wisdom. Close your eyes for a moment, or gaze softly at your words. Now, let's step into the feeling of having all of this. What does it feel like in your body when you receive that unexpected financial gift? Feel the relief, the excitement, the freedom. How does your heart feel when you are surrounded by unconditional love? Feel the warmth, the safety, the deep connection. What sensations arise when you wake up feeling completely energized and healthy? Feel the lightness, the strength, the vitality. You have cast your quantum script into the universe. Now, your only job is to surrender. Release the how and embrace the now. In your mind's eye, see the words you just wrote. Let them lift off the page and drift into your heart. Repeat your script internally now, not as a wish, but as a report of your current reality. It is done. It is done. It is done. With every breath, you are inhaling the essence of this new life. It isn't coming to you, it is rising from you. Don't just see it be there. Feel the texture of the clothes you're wearing in your dream home. Smell the air of your favorite destination. Hear the voices of people congratulating you on your success. The quantum field doesn't know the difference between memory and imagination. To your body, this is happening now. Live it, breathe it, own it. Stay in this vision. Let the joy of this reality wash over you in waves. You are no longer the person who started this video. You have shifted. Rest here in the stillness of your success. You are releasing any doubt, any resistance, knowing that what you have declared is already yours in the unseen. Breathe in deeply. As you exhale, imagine any remaining expectation or timeline dissolving. The universe works in divine timing. Your reality is shifting even now. Trust that what you have scripted is already in motion. You have planted the seeds. The harvest is inevitable. Trust it is done. The script is complete. The intention is set. Your new reality awaits. You have activated the quantum shift within you. Rest in this knowing. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Remember this feeling. If you feel this shift, comment "scripted" below to seal your manifestation. And if you found peace here today, subscribe to the Scripted Wellness for more journeys into your power. Thank you for scripting your destiny with us.